Hi students, now we have a theorem 1.4, root 2 is irrational. We have studied the number root 2 is irrational. Now we are going to prove it. Now we are going to prove this question, prove that root 2 is irrational. We need to prove that the number root 2 is irrational. We are proving this question by the method of contradiction. What is method of contradiction? First we will assume its opposite. We need to prove root 2 is irrational. So first we will assume root 2 is rational. That is method of contradiction. First we will assume root 2 is rational. If root 2 is rational, any rational number will be of the form a by b. So we will write root 2 equal to a by b. And we are assuming a and b are coprime. What is mean by coprime? If a and b are coprime means a and b have no common factor other than 1. A and B are coprime means they have no common factor other than 1. Now root 2 equal to a by b. Just cross multiplication. Then we will get, just multiply this b into this side. It will be b root 2 equal to a. B root 2 equal to a. Let it equation number 1. Now squaring both sides. We have b root 2 equal to a. Squaring both sides. If we square both sides, b square root 2 square is 2. So it will be 2b square left side and a square is a square. 2b square equal to a square. 2b square equal to a square means a square is multiple of 2. A square equal to 2 into b square, no, 2 into something will be multiple of 2. So a square is multiple of 2. So we can write 2 divides a square. A square is multiple of 2 means 2 is a factor of a square. 2 is a factor of a square means 2 divides a square. Then by theorem, if 2 divides a square, we can write 2 divides a. Let it equation number 2. 2 divides a. If 2 divides a, 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a means a is a multiple of 2. If a is a multiple of 2, we can write a into a equal to 2 into something. 2 into c for some integer c. Here 2 divides a means 2 is a factor of a. 2 is a factor of a means a is a multiple of 2. If a is a multiple of 2, we can write a equal to 2 into something. Multiple of 2 means 2 into something. So a equal to 2c. And from first equation we have a equal to root 2b. From first equation we have a equal to root 2b. Just substitute a equal to root 2b. So root 2b equal to 2c. Root 2b equal to 2c. Now squaring both sides again. Root 2 square is 2, b square is b square. So 2b square equal to 2 square is 4, c square is c square. 2b square equal to 4c square. Squaring both sides, we will get 2b square equal to 4c square. Two b square equal to 4c square. Then b square equal to 4 by 2 c square. Just take this 2 into right side. Then b square equal to 4c square by 2. What is 4 by 2? B square equal to 2c square. B square equal to 2c square. What is mean by b square equal to 2c square? B square b square is 2 into something. 2 into something means it is multiple of 2. So b square is multiple of 2. In other words, 2 is a factor of b square. So we can write 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square means 2 is a factor of b square. We got 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square. Then by theorem we can write 2 divides b. By theorem 1.3 we can write if 2 divides b square, if a prime number divides b square, that prime number divides b. Let it equation number 3. Then from first equation we have, from second equation we have 2 divides a, and from third equation we have 2 divides b. So from second and third equation we have 2 divides a and b. 2 divides a and b. 2 divides a and b means 2 is a factor of a and b. It means 2 is a common factor of a and b. 2 is a common factor of a and b. We assume that a and b are coprime. What is mean by coprime? A and b have no common factor other than 1. But here we got 2 is a common factor of a and b. This contradicts the fact that a and b are coprime. That was our assumption. This contradicts the fact that a and b are coprime. So what can we write? We got a contradiction. It means our assumption is wrong. First we assume that root 2 is rational, and at last we got a contradiction. If we get a contradiction, it means that our first assumption was wrong. What was our first assumption? It was root 2 is rational. That was our assumption. It is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. So from this we can write our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is irrational. Our assumption was root 2 is rational. It is wrong. It means root 2 is irrational. Now we proved root 2 is irrational by method of contradiction. Method of contradiction means first we will assume root 2 is rational, and at last we will get a contradiction. Then we will write our assumption is wrong, root 2 is irrational.